Set up easily, no difficult installation manual and configuration. Connect a device to the smart light switch, and wirelessly control your device using a tablet or phone.Smart. Switches make the most sense when you have a room, or rooms, with many ceiling lights.NOTE, neutral wire is needed. The smart light switch can only be paired on 2.4 Ghz Wi-Fi. Remote control. Control your light anytime and anywhere via smartphone using the free app Smart Life app, compatible Android and iOS. Remote control saves your time and energy when you forget to turn off the home appliances. Voice control, compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Home Assistant and IFT. Control your light with the smart light switch by simply giving voice commands to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. No hub required. The smart light switch works with any Wi-Fi router without the need for a separate hub or paid subscription service. Schedule and timer. Get ready to have a smart home and create customized schedule to automatically turn on and off your light. For example, start sleep schedule or routine to get baby sleep better. Quality guaranteed. The smart light switch features a sleek new design that is FCC approved product. If you encounter any problem or need support, please feel free to contact us through following email, support.us@techkinhome.com or Amazon directly. We offer 12 months of warranty and replacement services and lifetime technical support services if the smart light switch is defective.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,